You scared to answer the phone?
Oh, huh?
I said, what, you scared to answer the phone?
Oh, I was doing something else. Why would I be scared to answer the phone?
I don't know. I'm calling you. You're not answering. And I see you come out with the phone in your hand, so I'm assuming you're looking at me call. I said, you walk out the door with your phone in your hand, and I'm calling you, and the phone is ringing, so I'm assuming you're screening the call.
Oh, no, Why would I scream?
Look, I'm not.
I was cooking breakfast.
Okay.
I wasn't by my phone. My phone was way in my bedroom.
Okay. Yeah, I've been calling you. I sat on the back of the car. I was like, well, I sat on the back of the car. I said, let me see if she's going to answer before I take all my stuff down.
Oh, okay.
How you doing this morning?
Fine. Well, that's how you're supposed to greet someone before you said that.
Well, I mean, okay, so let me explain this. If I call you 3 times and you don't answer, my first reaction is not how you doing, is why aren't you answering the phone? Because I see you got your phone in your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Look, I understand what you're saying. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You getting dressed? Go ahead.
I called her 3 times before I even showed up. 3 times. And I'm supposed to be a happy camper? Oh, hey.